Included with the Fabio Leonardi SP5 Manual Niploy tomato milling machine is the hopper. We have a washer over here, stainless steel sauce tray, Niploy coated body, the drive shaft, a guard for the clamp to help protect your table, a handle. This is the stainless steel screen with 1mm holes, and this is the locking ring. And we have the heart of the machine, which is the auger. It is cast iron coated with a Niploy food grade safe coating. The machine does come with a little instruction manual. How to assemble the machine. We're gonna take the drive shaft and insert it. We're gonna insert the auger and then take the screen and locking ring, and we're going to secure it in by screwing it in. There we go. And now I'm gonna move over to my table that can accommodate the clamp. Parboiled tomatoes mean that you're gonna bring the tomatoes up to a boil just until the skins start to crack. This allows the tomato to be pliable, allowing you to push it down the machine's neck, and then the machine will do the rest of the work, taking out the skins and the seeds and leaving you with a beautiful velvety tomato sauce. I have brought the tomatoes up to a boil and the skins have began to crack. This is parboiling the tomatoes. Now they are ready to pass through the tomato milling machine. You never want to run these machines dry. You always want to make sure when you're turning the handle that there are some tomatoes going through. This will prevent the auger and the screen from sticking and forming together. You don't necessarily need to use a pusher. You can use a wooden spoon, but if you would like, the pushers are available. Once you're done making your sauce, you'll simply unassemble the machine, wash it with water and soap, then dry all of the components very well. The last step before you go ahead and store it away is to take a clean paper towel, a few drops of vegetable oil, and you're gonna go ahead and coat the auger with just a bit of veggie oil. This will help preserve it for overall longevity. Make sure you store this in a very dry place until you need it next time. I'm Chef Angie Consiglio with Consiglioskitchenware.com. If you haven't already, subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay in the loop with what's happening at Consiglioskitchenware.com. Thanks for joining in. I'll see you soon.